Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And it is big box P.LOUISE Day.
Yay.
So if you are not familiar with P.LOUISE is a cosmetics company out of the United Kingdom. They started off with different kinds of cosmetics, have branched into skincare, hair care. They have pajamas that went, and then Christmas time. All kinds of fun stuff. We have tumblers, water jugs, cups, whatever you want to call them.
At least 4, maybe 5.
Yeah, and they're so fun. And I love that. They actually work really well. They keep my drink cold. I love it. So this is the monthly subscription with P.LOUISE. This is actually, we're filming this in, what month is this? May. We're filming this in May, the end of May.
We'll put it up in June.
This is the May box. We got it in May. We're actually filming this the very end of May. You're going to see it in the beginning of June. But that's the way they sign up. So if you sign up in May, you get that box the next month. If you sign up in June, you'll get the June subscription the next month. The great thing about the subscription box now is as soon as it turns June 1st, you'll be able to see what's going to be in that month's box. And you can decide, is this the month I want to subscribe? If you're already subscribed, is this the month I need to skip? Or is this one that I'm going to love? We actually do make that decision every month. Is this the box we want to keep? Is this the box we want to skip? There's been a few boxes we skip because it's just the entirety of the box is not something that we need more of.
Sometimes I regretted it.
We've actually gone back in and we've skipped one, and I have begged P.LOUISE via email to please let me still have that box. And he's like, okay, we can make it happen, but not every time. So make sure before you hit skip that you don't want it. I will preface this video. I did put it in my last video, a little add-in. If you are a US budget box subscriber currently, check to see how much you're being billed for the box. Not the extra shipping, but just the box.
Yeah.
We were paying $48 a box plus shipping when we subscribed. It has gone down to $39 per month plus shipping. You cannot get that price automatically. It's going to bill you at whatever rate you were started at your subscription at. Once I realized it, I had to contact P.LOUISE. They said cancel. You want to cancel your higher rate subscription and resubscribe the following month or if you haven't already been billed. As you see this in the beginning of June, if your billing date hasn't happened yet, you can still cancel your June, resubscribe for June at the lower rate and save about $9 a box. So it's worth it. This is the box for May. This is the box for May. We're gonna check it out and remember what's in here. I think this is a peach theme box, right?
Peaches and cream.
So this is different. So this is actually the peach theme. But I like that this box doesn't have any stickers on it because I can reuse the box.
Peaches and P.LOUISE.
It's very cute.
Adorable, people.
Okay, so the top of the box says, creamy dreamy, a cloud soft bliss where magic starts with a peach soft kiss. So they sent us a poem on our box.
Yay. Now we
have to rip open another box. All right, so now we get to see inside the real budget box. How cute. And she has been doing this every month, packaging. Instead of just leaving everything loose to rattle around in a box, she custom packages it so they don't move around. And this is so cute. I'm going to start with this one because how cute. So this is their new Baby Bad Bee sets. So this is mini versions of the full size.
Blazed out.
And it's so
peaches and cream. Oh my gosh, we got one in another box. The
blueberry,
the
blue raspberry.
box.
We got a blue raspberry one.
How cute.
It is so cute. We're not going to open it because we have a ton. And we like to leave them sealed until we use them. But
perfect for that. I bet you they even, they're probably even on keychains, and they are perfect for putting in your purse or backpack.
Yes. Cuteness. All right, you can pick one.
So I am going to go with the body cream. Look at that. Oh, peaches and cream body cream. What does it say? Let's get juicy. Ooh. Oh. And look, it's a cute little, I'm not going to put it because we have other body cream.
We actually just did a P.LOUISE inventory and found we have a lot of things. We forgot we had multiples of.
Peaches and cream.
Speaking of lotion, they actually sent us a hand cream also, and it's on a keychain.
Yes, we got a body cream and a hand cream.
And we have several hand creams as well, so again, not going to open this yet.
I bet it smells amazing.
But yes, it's going to smell like peaches
and cream. I bet it smells amazing.
Okay, we should open this.
Let's open it. We're going to open it.
So we're going to open this one just because we got to smell something. And I'm not going to open much.
I don't want to.
Is it sealed? Oh my gosh, smell.
Oh, it smells like fresh.
They nailed the smell.
Oh.
Sorry, the dogs heard a delivery or something outside and they're going bonkers. But
Smells just like peaches.
It literally smells like the peach department, the peach tray at a farmer's market.
Oh, that
Oh my
smells
gosh.
amazing.
Okay, so now we know what everything smells like.
Oh.
It will all smell like that. The blue raspberry sips that they had smelled exactly like blue raspberry slushy.
Yeah.
And this smells exactly like peaches and cream.
So nice. This is the Plump Up Twist.
It's a lip plumper.
It's a twist up lip plumper that's
It
tinted.
comes out of a little hole in the top. I'll put a picture here because again, we're not going to.
Because I have one open right now with that's the watermelon one.
Yeah, we both have the watermelon.
I don't want to.
And it's got a seal sticker on it. We're going to leave it sealed. That helps us remember that we haven't used it yet, and it keeps it fresh.
And so, but this one I'm guessing would be a peach color.
It's going to be because the watermelon is the prettiest pink.
Yes.
That's why we both had to get one. So this will be a pretty peach one for summer.
Yes. Oh, amazing.
Okay, we have 2 more things. So, similar to the watermelon lip fragrance, we both had to get a watermelon of the refreshing spray. This is the Rain on Me water spray.
They're really nice.
And you just put it on as a refresher during the day. So we didn't use it a lot in the winter.
But the
summertime, and maybe we should have, it was drier in the winter.
True.
But
we did like the formula, just sprayed on and a nice fragrance, and then it just dried really
But we're
easy.
both still working through our watermelon one. So as nice as it would be to smell peachy, we probably will leave that one sealed for now. The last thing.
It is Peaches and Cream. Look at this. Peaches and Cream Dream. What is this one?
Okay, this is a vitamin C face cream. Ooh.
I think we have another vitamin C. I think we have another vitamin C face cream. I forget which fragrance it is. I haven't tried it yet.
Is it in our blue raspberry set?
Maybe.
I don't remember, but
we just have. I know we. Oh, I think it's a strawberry
maybe
one.
That means we have 2 of them. Oh, look at the peaches on it.
Oh.
And it's little balls inside. It's the cutest thing.
And then they plump when you open it, because I think I opened it.
Yeah,
I tried it, but I haven't finished it.
We have one
yet.
like this that has that, but yeah, it just kind of blends together.
They're so cute.
That's so cute. And you do see the peaches.
Are they cute?
And the top of it has the peachy stuff on it. Oh my gosh, this was how many items?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but this is 2.
So 6 things for what will be 30. And I did get actually my difference back on this box. They refunded me the $9 after I asked. So this was a $39 box for us, plus shipping.
I know, it was so exciting. And I'm like, the last month's box was the P.LOUISE CEO picks, and I'm wearing the lipstick set that came with it today. All my eye makeup, my blush is all, my bronzer, my highlighter, everything, mascara, everything is P.LOUISE today, except for the foundation and the eyebrow, which I do have P.LOUISE eyebrow stuff, but today I was using a different one. So I loved the lip set. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
On the flip side of that, the only thing I'm wearing from P.LOUISE today is my eyebrows and eyelashes. I'm wearing Temu foundation.
We're not gonna have to edit her out of the video.
Have to take me out of the, I actually put it. I did put on some P.LOUISE lip gloss for this, but I had just some. My blush I'm wearing is from Seraphine Botanicals. So yeah, my eyeshadow's from an old palette I found. It's got pink in it.
Welcome on these videos.
And I have a gorgeous pink palette. So I forgot.
I'm a true P.LOUISE. She
rude.
Just thinks she is.
No, I grab what's handy on my counter sometimes.
All of my stuff on my counter is P.LOUISE. So
yeah, not so much with my counter. It's got everything on it. But we both do love our P.LOUISE. We are P.LOUISE fans to the core. So thank you, P.LOUISE, for putting together a fun box.
Yes, thank you.
You are not going to find a better deal on good quality things,
makeup,
hand cream.
Oh, this is. Go out and buy it now.
Yep. And this is is this actually June 1st?
No, this is the 31st.
This is the 31st. Okay, so this is May 31st. So tomorrow I can check and see what's going to be in the June box. And do I want to keep it? Do I want to suspend it? Probably will keep it because
not suspending it.
It would have the last one we fully skipped and didn't regret.
It's been over a year and a half.
It's been a while, and it was just all glitter products.
And we have lots of
glitter. We don't wear a lot of glitter, and we have a ton.
And we love it.
Of glitter from
But that was the last thing.
We have all we'll ever need, and then some. And we did not need an entire box. Another.
It was amazing.
Worth, but it was gorgeous. It was. If you need more glitter,
it was hard to
it was
say
a good
no.
box, but we just didn't need it. So we let that one go by. But yeah, it's been a while. So yeah, this was our P.LOUISE monthly budget box for May. You will get a different one that you sign up for in June. Some months they do actually send a box, like they may send the June box the very beginning of June, and then I somehow will get
July
box
the end of June.
It's weird. So they because this, anyway, it's confusing sometimes, but sometimes I get 2 boxes in 1 month. Sometimes I go a whole month without a box, but you get 12 a year. It works. Thank you guys for joining us. We hope you had fun. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Don't hit subscribe if you're already subscribed, because that unsubscribes you in case you were not sure. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.